Here f of g of x he is asking. X minus fractional integral part of x, it's always greater than 0. G of x is, it is greater than 1 plus 0, which implies, so once g of x is positive, g of x is greater than 1 means g of x is greater than 0. Once x greater than 0 function is defined as 1, f of g of x is positive, so it's 1. Here, e is 2.73, so e square will be roughly 2.7 is 7.29, let us say 7.4 roughly. So step of e square will be 7 and f of x will be cos 7x plus step of minus 7 point something, which is equal to minus 8 cos minus 8x cos 7x cos minus 8x is cos 8x cos n pi is minus 1 per n. So first option f of pi, if I take cos 7 pi plus cos 8 pi minus 1 power 7 plus minus 1 power 8 is 0. First one can't be the answer. So if I take next option f of minus pi cos minus 7 pi, which is cos 7 pi, same cos minus pi, again same thing, we get 0. So second option is not. F of pi by 2 if I take, so f of pi by 2 means here it is cos 7 pi by 2 plus cos 4 pi. I get cos odd multiples of pi by 2 is 0 plus cos 4 pi 1. So third option is correct. This kind of problems, what I suggest you is take exercise 3. For example, f of 3 want to calculate. From the question, it is 7. From the options, first option, if you take 1 plus 6, 7 possibilities. Second option, if you take 6 minus 1, if you take 3 plus 3. So 5 plus 3, 8, this can't be the answer. Third option, if you take excess 3, 9 minus 1, 8 minus 3, 5, this can't be the answer. Take 3, 9 minus 2, 7 plus 1, 8, it can't be the answer. So first option is correct. Here, why if you take sine power 4 theta plus cos square theta, sine square theta we can write by 2 whole square, cos square theta is 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2. 1 plus cos square 2 theta minus 2 cos 2 theta plus 2 cos 2 theta by 4, which is 3 plus cos square 2 theta by 4. Cos square 2 theta boundaries 0 to 1. So y lies between 3 by 4 and 1. So A maps to 3. So this can be the answer. There's either first or third. Then take B option. Sin power 4 plus cos power 4, which is sin square theta plus whole square minus 2 sin square theta cos square theta. 1 minus half sin square 2 theta. Minimum is this, maximum is, if you remove maximum, you get minima. So the boundaries are half to 1, B maps to 4. So since both of them has same option, So let us see D. So once you see D, you can check it which of them is correct. D here is cos per 8 theta lies between 0 and cos square theta. Cos per 14 theta higher powers is less than 1 values. Higher powers will be less than small powers. So then cos per 8 theta plus sin per 14 theta cos square plus sin square, that is 0 to 1, D maps to V. So here the incorrect option is not there. So let us see x square by 1 plus x square also. Let us find out. 1 plus x square into y is x square. X square into y minus 1 plus 0x plus y 0. So x is real number, b square minus 4ac. That means y into y minus 1. So y lies between 0 to 1. Here it is then here we have y belongs to 0 to 1, but y if you take 1, x square equal to 1 plus x square, which is impossible. So it is close to 0, open 1 is the answer. Here it is at a time for same theta, uh, so you better to write less than 1. So for same theta 0, if you take theta as 0, cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1. So here it is 0 to 1 must be so this is better if you take open 0, closed 1 is better option. So D maps to 1, that is 0 to 1 at the same value of theta. We will not get 0 for no theta here. So first option is correct. Here f of x will be g of f of x is x minus 1 whole cube, this whole thing. So g of x is given as x cubed. So fx will be x minus 1, obviously. Here it is divisible means n equal to 164 divisible by 64. You have to check n equal to 2. 49 square plus 16 into 2 minus 1. So 49 square minus 1. 48 into 50 plus 32. 150 plus 2 or 32 into 75 plus 1 is 64 multiple. So it is divisible by 64. 7 distinct coins can be distributed among 3 children. Each child is eligible to take all toys. So there are 3 children. First toy can be given to any one of the person 3 ways. Second toy also can be given to any one of the 3 persons. Like that, 3 per 7. D contains more number of elements. So onto function means every element must have pre-image. So if D maps to 3, it can't be a function at all. So every element number of onto functions 0. If B dominates A, onto functions are not possible. This we compare with plus P times P plus Q by factorial 2 x by q whole square like this. X by q is 1 by 5. P plus q is 4, q is 3. So x becomes 3 by 5. Final answer is minus p by q. 2 by 5 power minus 1/3. Here it is, 1 plus x. Alternate plus minus means 1 plus x whole power minus p. So that is 5 by 8 power 1 by 3. 5 power 1 by 3 by 2. That is cube root of 5 by 2. Here it is 1 plus x whole power and expansion is valid for mod x less than 1. That is 9 into 1 plus 25x square by 9 or minus 6 by 5. Expansion is valid for rational index. Mod x is less than 3 by 5. A maps to 3. So it is ruled out. So in the same way, you can do the remaining. For example, D. Because here answer we can identify because only one option A maps to 3. One more option you want to check 3 by x less than 1. Mod x is 1 by mod x is less than 1 by 3. So here it is mod x is greater than 3. So D maps to 4. Here it is A plus B. If you want A, this is 3x plus 4 by x minus 1x. Do you want A value? Remove x minus 2. Substitute x equal to 2 in the remaining part. If you want a B, remove x minus 1. Substitute x equal to 1. So A plus B will be 10 minus 7, which is 3. The equation of the circle passing here, radical axis will be minus 6 minus of x square plus y square minus 6x plus 8. So here plus 6x minus 14 0 or 3x minus 7 0. Take circle plus lambda into 3x minus 7. Passing through 1 comma 1 means 1 plus 1 lambda into 3 minus 7 0. Minus 4 equal to 4 lambda. Lambda is minus 1. So we'll have x square minus 6 minus 1 into 3x minus 7 0. Plus 7 minus 6. Here you have to compare with a standard format. So it is not there in the syllabus. X square by 3 x cube by 5. So it is in fact mm, log of 1 plus x expansion. First, it should be defined. Root function is defined for x greater than or equal to 0. Here, x square minus 18x plus 72 should be greater than 0. X minus 12 into x minus 6 greater than or equal to 0, which implies x less than 6 or x greater than 12. And root is always positive, non-negative. X minus 1 should be greater. Otherwise, positive cannot be less than negative. So x should be greater than 1. It is one condition, second condition. And now both are positive, we can square it. Minus 16x is less than this. X greater than 71 by 16. So one is minus infinity to 6, other is 12 to infinity. Other is greater than 71 by 16. It's a 4 point something. And another is x greater than 1. Common part is 71 by 16. Equality, open interval to 6 closed union 12 to 1. But among the given options, this is there. So what I suggest you is instead of doing like this, you take some number 1.5 and x minus 6 into x minus 12. Take 1.5. Here it is 0.5. Here it is 4.5. It is not defined. Repeated roots. F dash is 0. F, f of a is 0. F dash is 0. F double dash is 0. This is the formulas we use to find repeated. F dash means 12x square minus 24x minus 15, 0. 3 if you take common, 4x square minus 8x, 4x square minus 10x plus 2x minus 5. 2 if you take common, 2x minus 5 plus 1 into. So x is minus half or 5 by 2. So once you substitute f of minus half there, 4 into minus 1 by 8, 12 into 1 by 4, minus 15 into minus 1 by 2 minus 4, minus half, minus 3 plus 15 by 2 minus 7 minus 7. So uh, it is a half, minus half is a repeated root. This kind of problem, you always, what I suggest you is take some standard equation, x cube minus 6x square plus 1 into 2, 2 into 3 plus 1 into 3. So 11x minus 6 is 0. Then roots are alpha 1, beta 2, gamma 3. Sigma alpha minus beta whole square means 2 minus 3 whole square. 1 minus 3 whole square. 1 plus 1 plus 4, 6. So first option, let us take 2 times p square. Here p is 36 minus 3q. So r minus pq want to have check it. R is minus 6, pq is 66. Like this, the first option is correct. So here it is. This we can write it as sum of two determinants, one a cube, one b cube, one c cube, plus a square a cube, c square c cube. For this determinant, if you apply R C2 replaced by C2 minus C1, C3 minus C1, then we have first determinant reduces to 1, 0, 0, A, B minus A, C minus B. And here it is A cube, B cube minus A cube, C cube minus B cube. It's only first determinant. So evaluating determinant B minus C if you take common, C minus B if you take common. 1 B square plus BA plus A square, 1 C square plus CB plus B square. B minus C, C minus B, C square plus BC plus minus B square minus BA minus A square. So which is B minus A, C minus B, C square minus A square plus B times C minus A. Minus of A minus B minus of B minus C, C minus C, C plus A plus B, which is A minus B, B minus C, C minus A plus B plus C. The second determinant, if you take A common from the first, B common from the second, C common, you are left over with A, B, C, 1, 1, 1, A square, B square, C square. Here if you put A as B, first, second column, B as C, second, third column, coincide, put A as C, then this will be A minus B, B minus C, C minus A times A B C. Here if you take common, A minus B, B minus C, C minus A, then you have A plus B plus C. Here it is A minus B. So plus ABC is equal to 0. Now let us check B minus C minus of A minus B, C minus B. Then so here we'll have A plus B plus C is ABC. Some sign difference is coming. Let me check once again. B minus C minus B. So C minus C, we get this. And the second one, think here we get some K constant times K, you get minus 1. So here this is that equation of a circle whose center is 0, 0, which passes through the vertices of an equilateral triangle whose median is of length 3a. Median or perpendicular bisector are one and the same. It divides median length into 2:1 ratio. Then OG becomes circumcenter 3a into 2/3. This is 2a. Center 0, 0. X square plus y square is 4a square. Number of terms in the expansion is equal to n plus r minus 1 c r minus 1. 9c to 9 into 8 by 2, we get 30. Here it is z is x plus iy plus 1, which is x plus iy plus 2 to 2 plus 2i. So x plus 1 whole square plus y square is x plus 2 times I into y plus 2. So comparing real parts, imaginary parts left side and right side, imaginary is not there, y equal to minus 2. Here it is x plus 2 whole square. So 2x x square get cancelled. 4x plus 4. Y square here is 4, which is 4x plus 4 minus 2x is 1. X is minus half. X square get cancelled. 2x plus 1 plus y square 4x plus 4. So answer is minus half minus 2i. So option is not there in this. So here it is greatest value of mod z. Mod z I can write mod of z minus 4 by z plus 4 by z, which is less than z minus 4 by z plus 4 by mod z, which is equal to 2 plus 4 by mod z. So mod z square is less than 2 mod z plus 4. Mod z square minus 2 mod z minus 4 less than 0. If you simplify 2 plus or minus b square plus 16 by 2, 2 root 5 by 2, 1 plus or minus. So the mod z here is less than 1 plus root 5. So it's purely, z is purely real. Then z equal to z bar. Z plus 2 by z plus 6i is z bar plus 2 by z bar plus 6i conjugate. Z bar plus 2 by z bar minus 6i. So z plus 2 into z bar minus 6i is z bar plus 2 into z plus 6i. Z bar minus 6iz minus 12i. Z bar 6z bar I plus 2z plus 12i. Z bar get cancelled. Here it is minus 6i x plus iy plus 2 times x minus iy minus 12i is equal to 6 times x minus iy into I plus 2 times x plus iy plus 12y. Comparing imaginary parts, minus 6x minus 2y minus 12, 6x plus 2x, 2y, sorry, imaginary part plus 12. So 12x plus 4y plus 24, 0. 3x plus y plus 6, 0. So what is the better method I suggest instead of this? Take option purely real, he told. Right? You take any point on this. For example, you choose y as 6 minus 2 comma 0. That you substitute here. Minus 2 plus 2 by z is minus 2 plus 6i. It's purely real. Right? So first option is or that is answer or not, put y 0 here, x as 2. Then here you have 2 plus 2, 4 by x 2 plus 6i. So it is not purely imaginary, you can remove it. So that way, take the point and substitute. It will be within no time you can answer it. Tan 70, here it is sin 70 by cos 70 minus sin 20 by cos 20 is k, which is equal to sin a cos b minus cos a sin b by sin 50 by, here it is sin 20 cos 20 sin 40, which is sin 50 is cos 40 to cot 40 k value. Here tan a, this whole thing if you simplify, 3 tan 3 theta you get, which is 3. So answer is tan 3 theta is 1. Here what I suggest you is, known value here is this 3 theta, you take it as 45 and substitute theta value and you can cross check it. But that is also seems to be laborious. Okay. Here maximum of denominator, maximum means denominator must be minimum. Minimum of denominator is this. So minimum of denominator 19 minus 13. So 6 you get. So maximum will be 3 by 6, which is half. Problems you can do by substitution method. A has 1, B has minus 2c0. I'm taking x square minus 2x is 0. Then alpha has 1, beta has 2. Your options are minus 2, b minus c, 1 into minus 2 here, minus 3, c minus a. Suppose after simplifying this expression you got minus 3 is the answer, then b minus c. So here alpha is 1, beta is 0. 1 by b value minus, here alpha is 2, beta is 0. 2 by minus 2 by beta is 0, b is minus 2 whole cube. Beta is 0, so minus 1 whole cube. So minus 1 is the answer. Two, 0, alpha is 2, b is minus 2, minus 1. Right. Here it is tan 3x. Tan x period is pi. Tan 3x period will be pi by 3. Second option is correct. Here it is sin 180 minus cos 180 minus 30 minus cos 50. Sine graph is like this. Cos graph, cos 0, 1, that's cos graph. At 45 degrees, they coincide. 50 means sin 50 is more than cos 50. It is positive. Cos h 3x formula 4 cos h cube x minus 3 cos hx, which is 125 by 64, 5 by 4. 125 by 16 minus 15 by 4. 4 15, so 65 by 64. Sorry, 65 by 16. Here it is 2 delta by s minus a, 3 delta by s minus b, delta by s minus. S minus A by 2, S minus B by 3, S minus C by 1. Adding all those 3S minus A plus B plus C. Here S by 6. If you want A, just S minus A by 6 minus 2. That is A by 4. So A by 4 similarly S minus B, B by 6 minus 3, S minus 3 by 4 is to 3 is to 5. Sin 3x is k. A, B are satisfied. Sin 3a is k, sin 3b is k. So A equal to B or, but he told A greater than B. 3a is 180 minus 3b. A plus B will be 60. C here is 122 pi by 3. Here tan A plus tan B plus in a triangle tan A, tan B, tan C. In the given question, tan A by 1, tan B by 2, which is tan C by 3, which is K. From here you get tan A as K, tan B as 2K, tan C as 3K. Then here K plus 2K plus 3K here is 6K cube. 6K minus 6K cube is 0. 6K into K value 0, not possible. A triangle cannot be formed. K is 1. Then K is 1. Tan A becomes 1. Sin A is 1 by root 2. Tan B 2, it is root 5. Tan C 3, root 10. So it is root 5 is to 2, root 2 is to 3. In tower subtend, a tower subtends alpha. This xy is a tower to alpha at B, 3 alpha at C. What we have to find out is ratio. It is to alpha, it is 180 minus 1. Sum of three angles is 180 degrees. So AB is equal to BX because angles, sides opposite to equal angles. Sides opposite to equal angles are equal. Then it is 180 minus 3 alpha. It becomes alpha. Then you take ACB triangle. AB by sine 180 minus XB by 3 alpha is equal to BC by sine alpha. But we know that BX is same as AB. So AB by BC is sine 3 alpha by sine alpha. Sine 3 alpha is sine alpha into 3 minus by sine alpha. Put 2 into 2 sine square alpha, which is 1 plus 2 cos 2 alpha. So second option. These are collinear means A, B, C. AB bar is sometimes BC bar. So here 40 minus 60i minus 11j is lambda times BC. A minus 40i minus 52 plus 8 minus 44j. Comparing j coefficients, we get lambda as 1 by 4. So A minus 40 by 4 is minus 20. A is minus 80 plus 40. We get minus 40 stands. Lie in a plane means 1, 1, 1, 1 minus 1, 2, x minus 2 minus 1 is 0. Yeah, 1 into 1 minus 2 times x minus 2 minus 1 into minus 1 minus 2x plus 1 into x minus 2 plus x is 0. So which implies minus 2x plus 5 plus 1 plus 2x plus 2x minus 2 is 0. 2x minus 2 plus 2 0. X is 0. X minus 2 minus 1. 1 minus 2 times x minus 2 minus 2x plus 4. So 5 minus 3, 6 minus 2, 4. Let us check other places also. Any mistake is there? Minus 1, minus 1, minus 2x plus 1 plus 2x. So here it is